Una good morning o. Tomorrow na October 1st, and as a citizen of this country, to my fellow compatriots, I wan talk about the problems wey 53-year-old Nigeria still get, and the reason why we as Nigerians no suppose spend more than 50 naira say we wan celebrate this tomorrow, this 1st October, because plenty good things to celebrate about they no dey at all. Una dey hear? So recently we dey hear say Boko Haram kill about 50 students for one college like that. E good. Just imagine how much those children they don struggle take get that admission, the JAMB, WAEC, NECO, everything. After they don finally get admission enter that school, all the settlement wey dem settle the people wey dey office finish, all the settlement wey dem don do take get their result, all the payment wey dem don pay all those our professors dem wey dey extort money from us in the name of say make we buy books from them, all those things now waste. Some of them they no get mother or father wey dey work for company, then they go farm, they go sell their things for market. Try that small money dem take get, na im dem take pay for their school fees. Now the next way the mother or the father dem go hear your pikin dem don Boko Haram don kill am. E good? If you be Boko Haram member, e good? You wey be Boko Haram member, you know how we as Nigerians, as fellow civilians, we know how we dey suffer. If you dey vex for wetin government people dey do, why you no go kill them? Why you no leave us make we continue this our suffer wey we dey do here for this country? Make una try o. If una feel say wetin una dey do dey good. My fear be say this October 1st wey dey happen tomorrow, make una no go do one nonsense kill people wey dey try to celebrate public holiday. For others dem, all I wan talk be say, since things no go change anytime soon, make una just ready to do fasting and prayer tomorrow. Na the only solution wey I get, because we don go school, we don study political science, we don study law, we don study management, we don study education, we don study everything, but still that knowledge wey we dey study, that knowledge wey we dey learn, we never fit use am change this country for 53 good years. And when you hear people wey dey talk about this country before the country gain independence, when dem dey talk, dem go tell you say Nigeria bin better pass before we come gain independence. Which kind life be that? Which kind life be that? E good? My brother and my sisters, e no good, but I no know the answer. So today now, first problem wey I get with una, since I no dey fit remember something, I write am down. Na the problem of say our people, we dey poor, we no dey enjoy this money wey our country get at all at all. The government dem no dey try, dem no dey try. This oil money wey all of us suppose enjoy, we no dey enjoy am. Me now, I from Niger Delta, I be typical Niger Delta girl. I from Rivers State. E get one time wey we hear one story say one man from my papa village, my papa village was still my village, the man bin dey dig well for him frontage. As he dey dig well, before you know, him dig well wey oil start to enter inside, crude oil. Now that type of thing, for him own domot na im the oil dey flow. How e go be say all of us wey dey this south, wey the oil dey kill our people, e dey burn our people, e dey give us pollution by the flaring, e dey pass for our domot, e dey pollute our water, we no dey enjoy this money? How e be like that? And I go dey pass the thing, dey go sell give abroad people dem. When these abroad people dem send the money back, una go just share am for Abuja, make Abuja road clean, wey make build good house keep there. Sometimes I no dey blame the militants o, but the only problem wey I get with these militants be say, now wey dem don bring that amnesty thing, dem come forget the main reason wey carry dem go dey do this militancy thing. Dem forget say the reason why dem do this militancy thing na because government no gree share the oil money for us. make we get good school, make we get road, make we get hospital. They don't forget that one. Now all dem dey do, me I dey see them o, all dem dey do na to build house everywhere. They cruise around Port Harcourt, they carry jeep. E good. Why una forget us? The reason why una carry this militant thing for head, why una forget us? Una try o. Okay, now normal human beings wey say this our government dem no dey try. Me on my own, I no wan wait on government, I no wan wait on my share of this blessing wey God don bless this our country for ground. I wan do my own. You say you go bank, say you wan borrow loan of 200,000 naira. You know wetin bank go do? Bank go tell you say you go pay this 200,000 naira in 3 years time o, but instead of 200,000 you go pay 600,000. E make sense? E make sense? How person go borrow 200,000 come pay 600,000? E no good. All this one na unnecessary extortion from the citizens of Nigeria. E no good. And the reason why all these ones dey happen na because our stupid government no fit do better regulations for all these kind of things dem. Then una no dey try for us at all. 53 years. 53 years. No good. Make we try. Okay, also for this no regulation for the bank thing, una also no dey do any regulation for the marketing. Na so inflation dey kill people. Today they say make dem go buy bread, make my younger ones go to school, they don add 50 naira on top bread. To buy bread now na 350 for one loaf of bread, of sliced bread. How normal human being wan take chop sliced bread? Na make people dey go for agege bread wey dem pack bromate and saccharin full, and people go dey die. Which kind government be this? E good? E no good, my people. E no good at all. Make una regulate this thing. No be say if person open shop, any amount wey enter im head na im go put main pick milk dey cost. If they say if they write 15 naira on top coke, you go buy am 100 naira whether you like am or not. Even if you dey see the thing koro say na 15 naira they write, the coke people write on top, because our government no ready for all those kind of things. Instead na to come dey hold people for road, dey extort 10,000, 30,000, 50,000 from people wey maybe dem no get 350 fire extinguisher. Make una try o. If una fit see wetin una dey do dey good, make una try. Boko Haram, me I no know for una. Me I no get anything to talk for una. I no know wetin una dey do. Abeg, that one no concern me. The Boko Haram people, their story na another thing. No. I no just know wetin to talk seriously, because we as Nigerians, we go dey look, dey watch CNN, dey watch BBC, we go dey watch how dem dey kill people, dey bomb World Trade Center. We no ever believe say one day this our Nigeria, this our fellow Nigerians go carry gun dey kill their own people. Their own people. I no know wetin Nigerians una dey do o. I no know wetin una dey do at all. Another problem na the problem of electricity. And this electricity problem be say now e don dey affect me well pass before. Before dem no dey bring light, and when dem bring your NEPA bill, you go know say okay, una no dey give light o, but the NEPA bill no problem, even though una no dey bring light. But these days dem no dey bring light, then your NEPA bill go come dey reach 20,000 naira. For wetin? Una no give person light reach 5 hours in 1 week, then una go come bring 20,000 naira bill at the end of the month. E good? E good? Make una think am well o. E good? E no good though if una no know the answer. E no good at all. All wetin me as a youth, as an undergraduate wey no get job for this country, as an undergraduate wey when I wake up in the morning, thank God say my papa and mama get money wey dem dey take cook food in the morning for me to chop. If not, I for go dey look for way to dey sell pepper and salt for market. Thank God say my parents get money. Me as an undergraduate wey dey wake up, wey get house wey I dey sleep inside, wey when I wake up in the morning, the thing wey I dey think to go do na to go wash plates and to sweep house, so that even as my parents dem dey feed me, dem no go vex say I no dey help dem do something for house. Na wetin Nigeria want. because now even when the youths dem try say dem wan do something, if you say you wan get company, CAC go kill you with bribery. Police, you say you wan go do something, police go stop you for road. Taxi drivers dem wey wan try leave, wey dem no wan do armed robbery, na so everybody go dey extort money from them. The corruption of this country na only God and Wole Soyinka mouth na im go fit stop am. I hope say una hear me well, because NTA, since the day wey dem bring out NTA, Nigerian Television Authority, wey dem go dey talk for news or 9 o'clock news, the government will do this, the government has done. In fact, that channel is government controlled. As far as I am concerned, na government dey control that channel, because na government dey pay them na. Since before the beginning of Nigeria, NTA dey talk corruption never change. No dey wey dem don bring good news wey person, instead go dey yarn how dey share money to all the localities, dey share money to all the bagagadities, all the teas. Who cares? We still dey at the suffer. The oil money no dey reach us. E no dey reach us at all. No good o, no good. More na consider us. We be una brothers, we be una sisters. All these people dem wey dey Abuja, more na remember say we too wey dey down here, we wey dey every other part, we wey no get people for government, we no get connection, we need to also get a part of this oil money. Country wey Oyibo people and Indians, because Indians dey no be Oyibo people and Indians dey come, dey full, because dem dey see say things dey good. Our country suppose dey the same level with Dubai and Qatar and all those countries dem. You never see, go and search it. Google is your friend. Go and search it, you will see Dubai before and after, in the 1970s and in the 2000s. Just see the difference. Everybody for Dubai dey drive Lamborghini. Nobody dey poor. I go Dubai airport, you know who dey work there? Black people and Indians. Na dey clean ground. You no go see their people dey work, dey clean ground for airport. We no even get airport toilet. And I don go Lagos that MMA airport, the toilet, you no go fit open leg say you wan piss. Una no dey try. Una no dey try at all. E dey vex me. I just wan celebrate this, na make I waste my 50 naira buy this wristband. Where I even stop sef? Or me I dey ask say, we as Nigerians, no be say we no dey educated, no be say we no sabi something. Make the corruption stop. Right from the school level, right from the lecturers, right from the lecturers down to the people wey dey give jobs, down to the banks, down to every aspect of this our society. Make the corruption stop. E go fit stop if we make up our mind say we want this our country to be good country. E go stop. Country wey Oyibo and Indian people dem dey rush dey come. The last time I listen to news, I hear say Chinese people go their government embezzle money wey dem go bring come here come start business, because dem know say dem go make am. God don bless our land. Our land na good land. We get oil, we get mineral resources, we get rivers. If na tourism e dey, God don dash us bush well. Which type of animal we no get? Everything dey. Make our government and us as individuals, because government now no go fit come stop you as an individual to not take bribe. So make you no go fix your sister wey no go school for that position because im be your sister. Instead, fix somebody wey go school, wey dey qualified for that position. Na so the bribery and corruption go take stop. Policeman, you stop to dey take bribe. Stop to dey take bribe. Police, stop to dey extort people. People wey dey work for road, stop to take money. Government start to pay people so that they no go dey take money. No dey cut people salary. Pay them on time. The money is there. Pay them. Small go take stop, so that we no go dey anytime we want celebrate wetin dem dey call am, independence, the NTA go start to dey do discussion forum how to improve every time we wan do Oktoberfest, NTA go dey do discussion forum. This discussion forum nothing dey change. Me, I don tire. I no dey even watch that channel o. Na my father na him dey make me watch that channel. I no like that channel at all. Every time discussion forum, discussion discuss wetin, change dey come, no change, we still dey as we dey. Our country is supposed to be one of the best in the world. We have crude oil, we have every good goddamn thing a nation needs to be among the best in the world. We have it. So I don't understand why we aren't growing at all. I don't understand it. Let's do our best. Let's strive for a better future. If you think we are the leaders of tomorrow, please allow us to lead from. Let's learn from you. 80 years old man go be the head of something. How we go take learn so that we go fit grow tomorrow? Abeg, banks no extort money from people wey wan make their lives better by their own selves. We dey ask for free medicals because we know say we go fit provide am. Nigeria has the money to give every single, even foreigners dem wey come, free medical care. We have the capability to do so. Let's do it. We can do it. And I thank you.